Hello and welcome to the REA tutorial. My name is Peter and today I want to show you how to change the font size in an existing print layout directly on the Titan controller. Let's go. So to change the font size of an existing print layout, we can use the button menu in order to step to our main menu, or we can use the push turn jog dial in order to enter the main menu. I will enter labels and I will choose an existing label which is called BBD for best before date, and I will edit this label. Now here's an object shown in a green frame, and this is what I want to change in font size. So I will enter to this object with F2. And here I will simply choose the font size and make the print larger or smaller. Now you see that the print is out of the existing green frame. So my object size did not turn automatically or change automatically. So I will skip further down and I will change the object height as well by adding some millimeters. Now you see the print is visible again, so that's fine for us. And we say OK, and we assign with F1 or we save with F4. So I will save and I will overwrite my existing file. So I say yes. And to print, I will assign the same label, F1. Yes. Now you see the change has been done. We have a bigger print, we have a bigger font size. This is how you change the font size of an existing print layout. For further information, please find our contact details below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Yours, Peter.